What is up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today we've got another video from GunSkins. We just did a short video probably just before this, not too long before this video actually went up on YouTube, and it was on the skins for these different mags that worked out really good, really easy to do, and I went over a little bit on how to install these. Really simple. But we've got another product from the same company, same type of thing, and it is for this guy. We'll go over this in a second. If you're interested in anything like this stuff from this company, there is a link down in the description and on my website, watchjoshwiley.com, and a discount code. If you use a discount code and use the links in either of those places and buy anything, it helps support the channel, so I'd appreciate it if you guys check that out. Before we get into it, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and let me know all of your thoughts down in the comment section below. If you haven't yet, consider getting subscribed and check me out. Give me a follow over on Instagram at the Josh Wiley channel, and check out the website, watchjoshwiley.com. Now, they do offer gun skins for magazines, and you can also get them for your pistols, and I think others as well, which is really, really neat. Now, we did this one. We're going to go over some stuff I like, some stuff I didn't, but they do offer these for this. And it's really neat because it's just a pretty much sheet with 3 different stickers, one for your slide and one for each side of your frame. Now, you can get these. They do offer them for, I think, Glock, I think maybe M&P and SIG, I think, the more popular pistols. And then they offer a different one that's pretty much one for all. It's not really for anything, but it's big enough for you to make it work. That's what I had to get for this, because they don't offer one specific for this. This is the SD9VE. Now, I did do a video, like I said, on these. They were really easy to put on. Not real hard at all. Real easy, real quick to put on. Doing these is a whole lot harder, and you're going to need to take a whole lot more time and do it very delicately. And especially if you're doing one like this, that's for anything that you're putting in a universal fit type deal, it's going to be frustrating, and you're probably going to want to go ahead and order 2, because you're probably going to screw it up, or if you did screw it up, it's just not going to be looking like you want it to, and you're going to end up wanting to pull it off and do another one. So just keep that in mind. But it's pretty much just like these. You can, if you're doing just the slide like I did, I didn't do the frame. I might do the frame later. I might do the frame of another one. I don't know, but I haven't done it yet. I was just doing the slide for right now. But when you're doing this, you can just leave the slide on the frame. You don't have to take it off, and just use any kind of cleaner, solvent, and get it real clean. Once you cleaned it, make sure it's completely dry, and then you pretty much just stick this on here. You'll stick it on, work it back and forth, and use the heat gun just like in the video we did on those guys. Same thing. You want a razor blade, because you're definitely going to have to do some cutting on this depending on what you have. But this was a pain in the butt compared to those on installing this. But you're just going to have to take your time and do it. You're probably going to screw it up, like I said. So you're probably going to want to order 2. But you know, that's just me. Something else that I don't particularly like, if you're putting this on one that you like carry or use a lot, this formed really good in here around the slide serrations, but it's still kind of slippery. And even though it went real well on here, you're still not going to have that grip like it was before. So that's another thing to keep in mind. But doing this is really cool. You ain't got to worry about sending it off somewhere to get Cerakote. And if you decide one day that you don't want this, you can just pull it off. So that is a whole lot better. It's cheaper than Cerakote. If you don't like it and you want to go back to what you had, you can just pull it off. If you don't like it, want to try something else, you can just pull it off and get another one. So really, really neat offering from GunSkins again. This is the custom SD9VE pistol. We've done a bunch of stuff on this. There's a whole playlist here on the channel. So if you're interested in anything going on here, you can check in that playlist and look at all the different videos we've done on that guy. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Let me know all of your thoughts down in the comment section below. Be sure to get subscribed. Check out watchjoshwiley.com. Check me over on Instagram. Be sure to use the discount code for GunSkins and the link over to their website. Buy something. It helps support the channel out. So I appreciate it if you guys did that. I appreciate you guys checking this video out, and I will see you in the next one. See you.